In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get X-Ray for Minecraft 1.21.10 extremely easy without having to download any mods. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you are in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of it. And yes, this does include that launcher right there. And open up a web browser of your choice. And what you're going to want to go to is actually CurseForge right here. Once you get on this page, go ahead and select Minecraft. And then in this section to search for Minecraft mods, go ahead and type in XRAY Ultimate and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to find this top option right here. Select it just like so. And then up at the top, you're going to see a Files tab. Select that. And from within here, what you're going to want to do is actually filter it by 1.21.9. Don't worry, this is still going to work for 1.21.10. Go ahead and click on these three dots right here and hit download file just like so. And it's going to take you to a new page where it's going to automatically begin downloading. It takes about 5 seconds and then it's going to download for you up at the very top. What you're going to want to do here is actually drag this onto your desktop once it does finish downloading. And after it's on your desktop, go ahead and close out of that tab and unzip this file. Specifically, in this file, you're going to be looking for this assets section right here. So right click it, hit extract, and it's going to begin extracting to a normal folder. And from here, you can actually delete this zip file right here and just keep this on your desktop over here and reopen up that Minecraft launcher. Now, once Minecraft does load for you, go ahead and make sure you're on Minecraft 1.21.10 and hit this installations tab up at the very top and find that exact same version. It's going to say latest release. Go ahead and open up the installations folder. And you're going to see a resource packs tab within here. Select that, and what you're going to want to do is take this folder from earlier, right click on it, and then compress it to a zip file and drag that zip file into here. From here, back out of this section, go back to play. Once again, confirm you're on 1.21.10 and hit play. After loading into Minecraft, all you need to go ahead and do is go into your options and then just confirm that the XRAY Ultimate is going to be in the available tab over here. If it's not, you can just drag it directly into here or do it the way that I previously showed. But just select this arrow just like so. Hit yes. It may say it is broken or incompatible. Just ignore that. Hit done on this section now. It's going to reload Minecraft. And now when you load into any world, for example, I'm going to do this one up at the very top, you're going to have that X-Ray texture pack actually applied. As you can see, it looks just like this. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But if you ever do want to turn it off, just hit escape, go into your options, and then go into that resource pack section again and just remove it and hit done. And as you can see, it's going to remove it just like so. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.